I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
Hate chasing up late payments? Let Xero do it for you. Head to Invoices under the business menu. Click Invoice Reminders, select the checkbox and save. Done. By default, Xero sends 3 reminders, but you can edit, delete or add up to 5. Reminders get sent automatically based on the dates you choose, so you stay in control. The best part? See Sent Reminders in your Awaiting Payments tab with a history note added automatically. And you can even set a reminder to send a few days before a bill is due. No more awkward follow-ups, just smooth, stress-free invoice reminders. For more Xero tips and tricks, visit the X Hacks Hub.